Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. We're starting out with a little bit of cloudiness out there this morning, but starting to see some breaks in those clouds, and we'll see a little bit of sunshine as we go through the next several hours here into the late morning and into the afternoon. And then see the clouds sticking back up again once we get into the evening hours tonight. I'll take a look at our live cam here, looking off to the south here at Wallops Island. You can see some of those breaks in the clouds that have developed since our earlier briefing was done this morning. We are seeing a little bit of mid and high level cloud still out there. So all in all, we'll see a partly sunny to mostly cloudy sky cover throughout the day today. I'm going to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see the stationary front kind of draped over the mid-Atlantic region, and a few waves of low pressure have been riding along that stationary boundary over the course of the last couple of days. Right now, not seeing any significant disturbances moving through. We'll see one move through later this evening that could spark off a couple of sprinkles through the area, but nothing really significant until we get into the later portion of the day on Wednesday. Looking at our upper level winds from this morning's balloon release, generally seeing a northwest flow in the low levels of the atmosphere, turning more westerly in direction as we get up to around 25,000 feet. You can see those winds increasing with height, and our max winds right around that 20 to 25,000 foot level, right around 100 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 11,000 feet. So taking a look here at our satellite infrared, showing a little bit of breaks in the clouds beginning to make their way over the Wallops region currently. Off to our west, you can see a little bit cooler cloud top showing up in the central Virginia. And later this evening, again, we'll see those low-level clouds start to move through the area, and could even see some reduced cloud ceilings, some lower cloud ceilings overnight tonight into the morning hours tomorrow. But looking at dry conditions for the most part, as we will see here on our high resolution model, as we work our way through the day, you can see really no indication of precipitation anywhere close to our area. Later on this evening, again, could see a few light sprinkles, not really seeing much on the updated 3 kilometer NAM here for later this evening. Just a very slight chance, as you can see here, right around midnight. And then by tomorrow morning, should just see some low clouds in the area, not really much chance for precipitation through the day until we get into the late morning and into the afternoon, where we could see just a little bit of light precipitation. By tomorrow night, we'll start to see that wave of energy along that stationary boundary begin to make its way closer to the region. Looks like most of the activity will be off to our north by the evening hours Wednesday evening, but then overnight start to sag south over the Wallops region and give us a pretty good chance of some precipitation during the overnight hours Wednesday night into early Thursday. As we work our way through the day on Thursday, it does look like most of the rain activity will be confined to the morning hours, and drier weather for the afternoon for the most part. Could see a stray shower or two during the afternoon. And then seeing, as we switch over to the European model, our next chance of rain after this event on Thursday coming for us for the weekend. As we look into the Saturday and Sunday time frame, we'll see that wave of low pressure begin to develop and move into the area by early Saturday morning. As you can see, this is 4 o'clock in the morning Saturday, seeing those rain showers becoming pretty likely at that point. It looks like we'll have two different waves of precipitation over the weekend, one during the first part of the day on Saturday, and another coming to us during the first part of the day on Sunday. So not a all-day rain event for Saturday and Sunday, but does look like it's a pretty likely scenario that we'll see rain both days, confined to the morning hours for Saturday and Sunday. Behind this precipitation, we'll see the cold front move through, and we'll see the Arctic high pressure build in briefly to our region for Monday. So looking at some much chillier conditions for the first part of next week as we work our way into Monday and Tuesday. But with those cold conditions, we'll see some dry weather and a return to sunshine as well. So for the next 24 hours, again, really not much in the way of hazardous weather, just that slight chance of a sprinkle or two between the hours of around 8 p.m. and midnight. Then some low clouds moving in overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Early tomorrow morning could see some cloud ceilings below 500 feet or so, but not a real high risk of that happening as well. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see the best chances for rain Wednesday night into Thursday morning, looking at about a 75% chance late Wednesday night, about an 80% chance early Thursday morning. Then a little bit of a break in the action on Friday and a return to some precipitation for the weekend. Again, it does look like most of that precipitation will be confined to the early portion of the day on Saturday and again early Sunday as well, with some winds possibly for both Saturday and Sunday with that system as it moves through. Right now, it looks like a windier day on Sunday, and then some breezy conditions continuing into Monday behind that frontal passage, and some much cooler conditions as well. So, as you see for the next 7 days, above normal temperatures expected with highs today in the 50s, getting into the 60s by tomorrow and into Thursday. And then as we look ahead to the weekend, continued above normal for those temperatures. Saturday, even with those rain showers, does look like a very warm day with highs potentially in the mid to upper 60s, and much cooler to start next week with highs in the mid 40s. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.